This is why you need to look twice in the trees. Nature's best hider might be right in front of you. Let's meet the African green pigeon. Trust me, you'll never look at fruit the same way again. Picture this. You're strolling through the African wild, and you spot nothing. But wait, look closer. That's not a leaf. It's the African green pigeon blending in like a pro. Its feathers are leafy green with maroon wings, Mother Nature's camouflage at its finest. And this bird isn't just hiding, it's feasting. These pigeons adore fruit, especially figs. They'll gobble them up whole, pits and all, no picky eaters here. So next time you're in Africa and hear a soft coo from the trees, take a second look. You might just catch a glimpse of the continent's most stylish, fruit-loving ninja. Nature's full of surprises, isn't it?